we are about to do another WhatNot unboxing. I know I didn't change my hair, right? Like, this is the longest I've kept a wig in for. I normally like boom, 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 but you guys know we're selling our house, so we literally are busy getting the house ready for every time because we do private showings. It's crazy. Okay, so we are about to do an unboxing for this person, Leva. She is a seller on the platform. Let's see what goodies I got them. So I had purchased from her before, but I wasn't able to do an unboxing review for her because we were so busy and I felt so bad. But this is the bag. Let's start and see what we got. Okay, so this shirt was $5, guys. $5 is pink. You guys know I love pink. So I got this one. And this is an extra small. So they fit oversized, clearly. And it was like such good stuff. I got some stuff for my cousin too. So this one is a size extra large. I got this for my cousin. A nice little crop top. She loves crop tops. So got this one for her. So that's for my cousin. I have a little pile over here for her. And this was also for my cousin. I got a size 16 of Bound jeans. This is the third item I got. Of Bound jeans, size 16. In true, say with me, in true Airpods fashion, what do? Multiples. We get multiples because they're too good. This pink is beautiful. I got another extra small one. It was just so beautiful. It's oversized. I have so much pink in here that I'll find something to wear it with. And just in case one gets messed up, I have two, so it doesn't get messed up. I mean, so I don't have to have FOMO of being left out of the barbecue. All right, and then I was thinking if this is my color this season because this is the third item I got that's this color. You guys know the jacket that I just got, and then the pants that Trending Sisters gifted me. It's all this I don't know, it's like a mauve color, but this is cute. I know I had no business trying to get a small in this. My booty would not fit, but I'll make it fit. So I got this one new with tags. They had the blue in that shirt. You guys know my colors are blue, green, and pink. So I got this blue, and this one is an extra small as well. Nice oversized shirts. You want to lay down, sleep, and go on a little getaway. You can wear it. And I believe this is for my cousin as well. This is a size. This is Joe Jean size. Oh, 27. Oh no, 32. The tag says 27, but this tag in here says 32. And this is for my cousin as well because she is this size. So newest tag. So you guys see how my package came from LevaDeals. Her name is on the screen. It's her and her mom. She is so sweet. When I tell you she's so sweet, she is so sweet. I absolutely recommend purchasing from her. Would I buy from them again? Absolutely. This is my second purchase with them. Would I recommend them? Absolutely. They are so sweet. I mean, just when you talk about sweet humans, they're sweet humans. She's the sweetest. Please, if you guys download the app, please follow LevaDeals, bookmark all her shows. She's amazing. You guys know what I'm gonna say. Thank you for all the love and support. I think one of my videos is about to hit 1K, which is amazing. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a lot to me. I appreciate you guys sharing, liking, subscribing, viewing. It means the world. I wish everybody have an amazing day today. Please drive carefully, get from your destination safely and back home safely. I love you.